Good afternoon. Today we'll be looking at modulus table. Modulus table of a binary operation. So we're going to take examples on this. Take examples. Number 1, prepare a modulus table of addition for module 5. Number 2, prepare a modulus table of multiplication for module 6, and evaluate the following. 1. If 2 asterisk the modulus of if 2 asterisk m equals to 0, find m. Roman figure 2. If 3 asterisk if 2 times m equals to this, if 3 times 5 equals to, if 3 times p equals to 3, find p. So we are going to look at this sharply. So we have this. So if we are preparing our modulus table, yes, modulus table for module 5. So module 5, we are going to start from 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are operating on addition. So we'll put our addition here. Then here also will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are going to add 1 plus 1, we have 2. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 1 plus 4, we have 5. So since we are operating on module 5, we cannot write 5 here. So we use 5 to divide the module. 5 divided by 5, 1 remainder was 0. So we put 0 here. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 4, 2 plus this 5. So 5 divide 5, 1 remainder 0. 2 plus this 6, here will be 1. 3 plus this 4, here is 5. We cannot write 5. 5 divides 5, 1 remainder 0. Put out the 0. 2 plus this 6, we cannot write 6. It's bigger than the module. 6 divided by 6, 1 remainder 1. We put out the remainder. This plus this 7, we cannot write 7. So here will be 7 divided by the module 5, 1 remainder 2. We put down our 2. So 4 plus this is 5. We cannot write 5. Here will be 0. 4 plus is 6. 6 divide the module, 1 remainder 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. We cannot write 7. It's bigger than the module. We used to divide it. So 7 divides 5, 1 remainder 2. We put the remainder. 4 plus 4, 8. We cannot write 8. 8 divided by module 5. So here is a 3. 1 remainder 3. So this is the module 5. Addition for module 5. So this is for module 5. For module 5. So we have for module 5. Good. Now let's look at the second one. Number 2. For module 6. Yes, we have for module 6, but this time around is multiplication. Our table is multiplication, so we'll put our sign multiplication here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for module 6, we'll stop at 5. So here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for module 6, our highest number will be 5. Module 6, our highest number will be 5. Any number from 6 above will be divided. So now let's go. This is for multiplication. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 2, 1 times 3, 1 times 4, 1 times 5, 5. Then here 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 3, 6. Please, since we are operating on module 6, we don't need from 6 and above. So once we have 6 and above, we divide it with module 6 and write the remainder. So 6 divided 6, 1 remainder 0. 2 times 4, 8. 8 divided 6, 1 remainder 2. 2 times 5, 10. 10 divided 6, 1 remainder 4. Then we go to 3 times 1, 3. 3 times 2, 6. 6 divide module 6, 1 remainder 0. 3 times 3, 9. 9 divide module 6, 1 remainder 3. 3 times 4, 12. 12 divide module 6, 2 remainder 0. 15. 2 remainder 3. 4 times is 4. 4 times is 8. 8 divide module 6, 1 remainder 2. 4 times 3, 12. 12 divide module 6, 1 remainder 2 remainder 3. 12. 12 divide module 6, 2 remainder 0. 16. 2 remainder 4. 4 times this, 20. 20 divide module 6, we have 3 remainder 2. Then 5 times 1, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 10 is bigger than module 6. So we divide it, 1 remainder 4. 5 times 3, 12. 15. 15 divide module 6, 2 remainder 3. 5 times 4, 20. 20 divide module 6, we have 3 remainder 2. 5 times 5, 25. 25 divide module 6, we have 4 remainder 1. So this is our module table for multiplication. So this is for our A. B of it, let's look at the B part. B part now said that we should look for B, Roman figure 1, if 2 times M equals to 0. So what are we going to do here? We are going to look for which number 2 will multiply here that will give us 0. So here is 2 times 3. So here is 2 times 3 equals to 0. Therefore, M is equals to 3. Good. So Roman figure 2. Roman figure 2 say that if 3 times P equals to 3. So what 3 will times here to give us 3? What 3 will times here to give us 3? So it is 3 times 3 equals to 3, or 3 times 5 equals to 3. From the table, 3 times 3 equals to 3. 3 times 3 equals to 3. 3 times 5 equals to 3. Therefore, P is equals to 3 or 5. Thank you very much for following me up on this channel. Until we see again, bye bye.